Now I want to lay in the fret markers, but I also want to get some of them in to match this 15, 17, and 19 up here. So I'm going to take the neck off for this. Now I need to put the center location of each of these frets in here. If we just try to measure it and put in a row of straight fret markers, we are going to get off somewhere, guaranteed. So in order to get this center marked, I am just going to use my square. Yep, that's perfect. All right, now I'm going to drag this along my fretboard all the way down. There we go. You can just eyeball the center horizontally. Just double check that you're marking the ones that you've got on the face. And remember the 12th fret double. One thing that is super handy for starting your lines is a center punch. And this is a spring-loaded center punch. If I push down on it, it gives me an exact mark where I'm going to be drilling. And then that brad point bit will bite right into the center. Now the same deal with the drill bit. Keep that choked up into the drill. Let that brad point find that center of the center punch. If you find that they are difficult going in, you can sand off just the edges of them to make a slight cone on the edge so that they will slide in a little easier. A little dab of the thin glue. Dab off the excess. Now you don't have to use these plastic side markers. You can certainly use small abalone dots, small mother of pearl dots, make your own. You can take shrink wrap rubber, like electrical shrink wrap, and wrap these and get a little color around them. You can do quite a bit with customizing these. You certainly don't have to only do this, but I sure do like the simplicity of these small dots. And I use a flat board to prevent me from digging in to the side. Wipe off the ebony. Give the edge a little contour. Make sure I didn't flatten that out too much. And there we have our side dots. Pretty happy with those. All right, let's move on.